Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super exciting. How to stake XRP on Coinbase in 2025. If you've got XRP sitting in your wallet and you're looking to earn some passive income, this easy step-by-step guide is perfect for you. Staking is a great way to put your crypto to work, but let's make sure you do it right. First off, what's staking XRP all about? Essentially, staking involves locking up your XRP tokens to support the XRP ledger network and, in return, you get rewards. It's like earning interest on your savings, but in the crypto world. Before we jump in, remember that crypto can be volatile, so only stake what you can afford to hold onto. To get started, you'll need a Coinbase account. If you don't have one, head over to the Coinbase website or app and sign up. It's quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, make sure you have some XRP in your account. If not, you can buy it directly on Coinbase or transfer it from another wallet. Step 1. Navigate to the Earn section in your Coinbase dashboard. Look for the staking options and select XRP. You'll see details about the staking rewards and any associated fees. Always read the fine print. Step 2. Choose how much XRP you want to stake. Enter the amount, and Coinbase will show you the potential rewards based on current rates. Double-check everything to avoid mistakes. Step 3. Confirm the staking process. You'll need to agree to the terms and conditions, then hit that stake button. Your XRP will be locked for a set period, usually a few days or weeks, depending on the program. After that, sit back and watch your rewards accumulate. You can check your staking status in the Earn section anytime. One quick tip. Keep an eye on market trends because rewards can fluctuate. Also, if you're new to this, start small to get a feel for it. There you have it. That's how to stake XRP on Coinbase in 2025. It's a simple way to grow your holdings, but always stay informed and secure your accounts with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep building that crypto knowledge together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.